Are we still in the ship? Captain Sky asked. Well, Captain Red said, well, yes and no. Yes and no. Because if you follow again this route, you will reach the earth. So in a way, this is how I get to earth. Do you, he asked Captain Skies, do you have your own passage? How do you reach the earth? How do you reach the earth? He asked Captain Skies. Well, I do it when I'm sleeping. My passage is through my dreams when I sleep. Captain Skies said to Captain Red. Well, that's more convenient, I guess. But I could try this one, Captain Sky said. I could try just to experience how it feels like to go through this passage. It was a scary passage. There, it's impossible for the thorns not to reach your bone. It's narrow. It's dark. And the only way that Captain Red can see while he's going through this is through that little light on his chest. What little piece that remained, what little piece that he kept when he decided to throw out the pieces of his heart all over the universe and away from the earth. So now, maybe that's the reason why sometimes when he feels something so deeply, black holes get summoned, because maybe some of these pieces are inside the black holes, and whenever he feels something so deeply, that little piece that he has reacts as a magnet to those pieces that are responsible for that, what he is feeling. So they were just looking at the passage together. They were thinking, is today a good day to go to the earth? Well, Captain Skies can go there anyway when he sleeps. But since today he decided to accompany Captain Red, or just out of curiosity, he wants to experience that passage. They were both thinking, is today a good day? Or should we just stay in the ship? Well, for Captain Red, it's always painful too. The way to Earth is never easy. It's always so tempting to just stay in the ship. Because in the ship, he can rest. Unlike Captain Skies, Captain Red does not have a choice whether he will feel pain or not, whether he will suffer or not. Captain Sky has this choice. And the reason for that is that Captain Red is more human than a soul, and Captain Skies is more soul than he is of a human. So he can choose whether to feel pain or not, whether to feel suffering or not. But on the earth, there is a handful of people that believe that suffering is optional. There is a handful of people that believe that suffering is a choice. And they talk about this, so they multiplied in numbers. Some people believe it. Some people find it to be true. But it's not always true. It's not always true. Suffering is not always optional. And the people who don't understand this also has a high chance that they don't understand how lucky they are.